Good morning, student. I hope you are revising your work. Today I am going to revise chapter 5, revision part 3. In this part, I am explaining the human life of the regions of the equatorial parts, and in these equatorial regions, what is the human life? How we can know that human life is so difficult in these regions? How? Basically, in these regions, the people are related to nomads. Nomads means the people who have no particular home or particular place to live. They survive here and there, to and fro in the forest, side of the forest, and small huts. They survive temporarily. One place they live for some days and they change the place after some days, some months. And basically they do the shifting agriculture. What is shifting agriculture? Shifting agriculture is a type of agriculture in which the people work the agricultural activities as for some days, for some season. After that, they change the place and they try to find out other place so that they can produce much crops like cassava, yams, maize, banana, groundnuts, etc. Basically, the tribals are found here because all parts are covered with the forest, and the human life is found as the tribal people. Main tribal peoples who are found here: Semangs of Malaysia. In Malaysia, the Semangs are the tribe people. Pygmies of Congo. In the Congo basin, Congo area, the country Congo, Pygmies are found. Dayaks of Borneo. In Borneo, Dayaks live and they do the agricultural activities as a shifting agriculture. Binots of Congo. In Congo, Pygmies are also and Binots are also. So, Khubus of the Sumatra and Amazon India. Khubus of Sumatra Island, and Amazon Indians. So in this part, you can see the many types of the tribal people survive their life in different ways, but their main work, their main surviving the life as the shifting agriculture. They produce cassava, yams, maize, banana, groundnuts, etc. They are found short in size, means their height is very short, means approximate 4.5 feet, 5 feet maximum. So in this way you can study the life of human in this area. So the equatorial regions are known as also the varieties of the people who live here, and the people also do the plantation, because if they do not plantation, the forest area may be destroyed. In this way, deforestation takes place. So people plants many varieties of plant, as in Central America, tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa are grown on the large scale. So in this way, in this region also mining activities. You know mining? Mining means those type of materials which are dug from the earth and we use like coal, manganese, copper, aluminium and other types of the minerals. So in this way, Malaysia for tin, Sumatra for petroleum, Java, Borneo for bauxite, in Guyana also bauxite are found. Bauxite is found in South America and Brunei as well as Indonesia. The mineral oil also have been extracted. So in this way, you can study this part of the human life as in the equatorial regions, page number 25, and you can know more and more information about. Okay, so you revise today page number 25 for today's class. Thank you.